Today we're making a pumpkin pie smoothie. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today is really special since, Thanksgiving is almost here. Let's make a pumpkin pie smoothie. This is so easy to make. I am using pureed pumpkin. If you want to make your own pureed pumpkin, just click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to roast a pumpkin and then just puree it. It is so simple, so wonderful. And then I'm also using my pumpkin pie spice creamer. If you want to learn how to make your own pumpkin pie spice creamer, just click that eye in the sky. It'll teach you how to do it, or just go ahead and go out and buy pumpkin pie spice. Let's get this started. I'm going to add about a cup to 3/4 of a cup of ice cubes. How many ice cubes that is up to you. On top of that, I'm going to add my pumpkin, and that is about 1/4 of a cup. Once again, this is a cool part about this recipe. You add how much you want, and then about 1.5 cups of the pumpkin spice. We're going to turn on the blender. And then pour the whole entire mixture into a chilled glass. Let's give this a taste. That is really good. You can taste the pumpkin. You can taste the pumpkin pie spice. That is so good. You can add more ice cubes to make it thicker. You can add more of the pumpkin spice creamer to make it creamier. But with the oat milk in it, it just makes it so that it is so cool, so rich, so creamy. It is really good. I like this. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. This is a wonderful Thanksgiving kind of treat. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.